Hello everyone, it is Canadian Futures Trader here. Welcome to the video. It is Friday, April 23rd, 2021, and today's video going to be going over day number 4 of my Earn2Trade 150K mini gauntlet. Before we get to that, a few things first. YouTube, if you have not already, you should check out my video from April 20th, Earn2Trade 100K mini gauntlet giveaway. Yes, Earn2Trade gave me a mini gauntlet that I'll be giving away next Wednesday, and it is worth, I have the Earn2Trade page up here, $315, not too bad. Now, I will mention, if you use my link to Earn2Trade, you always get 20% off, so you could technically buy it for $2 something. Still not a bad deal whatsoever. Try to get in on that giveaway. All you have to do is just watch this video for all the specs. Basically, you have to comment below on this video and go and like mine and Earn2Trade's Instagram pages, and I will do a random drawing on Wednesday, April the 28th. As well, if you're not already a subscriber, I would love if you could, getting close to the 500 mark. Currently, there's 40 comments on this video, and one of them is me, so there's 39 entries currently. So everybody has a pretty good chance at winning. As well, if you're more of a reader than a listener, you can come to my website, click here to read about this, and I have it all spelled out here as to how to enter and how it's going to work. Before I get to my progress for day number 4, just a complete side note, if you will. Jared Tendler is coming out with, or actually he came out with a new book just recently, April 5th, The Mental Game of Trading. I have not read it yet. I actually just ordered this today. These prices are Canadian because I'm in Canada. So it's probably about like $40 or $38 or something US. I'm familiar with Jared Tendler. He is a performance coach in other areas as well, golf and poker. And I kind of kicked around the poker world for several years as well, so I was familiar with his work. He has Mental Game of Poker 1 and 2 that he came out with a long time ago, and they were great books, so I'm excited to read about this one. I know this one's been in the works for several years, so he finally got it out, and I have ordered it. So I don't know why I thought I'd share that with you, but hey, if you're ever thinking, what new book should I read? I'll report back on how good it is, but I suspect it's pretty good. I've been listening to a few podcasts where he's been on talking about the new book, and yeah, I just like his style of, or his approach, I would say, to psychology and trading. As for me, day number 4 turned out pretty well. I did this super zoomed in screenshot at the end of the day. Should have zoomed out, but nonetheless. So my balance is currently $2,320. So we're up $2,300. That was from about $1,100 I was at the end of day 3. Basically, day 1 was like $1,000. Day 2 and 3 were maybe $100 combined. I basically didn't do much. And then today was a big day. Mainly this at the end of the day. Now, I said I wouldn't trade NQ. Call me a liar. I just couldn't resist. There was so much activity. This was about, I want to say, between 12 and 1 p.m. Pacific time, basically the last hour of trading. Just tanked. So there, you can see some trades here, but this was the big one that I kind of scored on and went short here and was able to grab this move. What was interesting is, so I was also trading my own personal account at the same time. I'm able to bring up Jigsaw and have both Earn2Trade and my own account logged in simultaneously. So I was trading them both. I got stopped out here. I had a trailing stop on, and it kind of came down. If you can kind of see, there's a wick here. Bounced back up, knocked me out. I had a pretty tight stop on it because I wanted to get every piece of this, basically. But it bounced up, burned me, knocked me out. I made whatever I made on this trade and was more than happy with the balance and called it done. And then I continued to manage my own trade, which here's the picture I put on my Instagram. So here's the trade from Earn2Trade, and this is what we just looked at where it stopped me out. Yeah, it continued to go down, down, down. So I could have actually made quite a bit more on this. I mean, I would have got stopped out several times with my trailing stop, but nonetheless, yeah, a lot of activity. If I'd really want to, I could have jumped back in, but I was kind of managing my own trade, and I did get a nice piece of this. So a pretty nice Friday, I will say that, especially after kind of a crazy week with blowing up Earn2Trade earlier the week, having to reset, having a few super slow days. Definitely a high ending to the week. So we're in good shape. Day 4 at 2,300. And with 2 of those days not really trading, I would say that is successful. We are doing fine. So be sure to watch that Earn2Trade mini gauntlet giveaway video if you have not already. And that is pretty much it, guys. I didn't record any of the trades today. I actually tried to record this, and it was moving so fast, like the screen was like frozen beyond frozen, and I wasn't going to mess with it. I gave it a few tries and said forget it. I even tried looking back at the recordings just to see if they were even, manageable to watch, and they're not. It's just like so choppy. It's not even worth seeing. You get the idea right here. A lot of red, selling, buying, profit. So that said, guys, have a great weekend. I don't think I'll have any videos over the weekend. I don't really have much else to talk about, and nothing that I recorded this week to really go over. But the big exciting thing will be next Wednesday, doing the Earn2Trade giveaway, and I will pick up on Monday and make a video with my day 5 progress. Have a good weekend, everyone, and I'll talk to you next.